Welcome to JEE Maths Preparation 2026-27, where maths is explained simply, clearly, and step by step. Build concepts, not shortcuts. Now let's solve today's JEE Maths question. Today's topic is indefinite integrals, and we will discuss a question on fractional power rationalization. This or similar questions appeared in JEE Main 2022-24. Fx is given in terms of an indefinite integral and f0 is given to be minus 6, and we are asked to find f1. Questions containing mixed rational fractions such as this x power 1/4, x power half, etc. consistently repeat. The strategy requires substitution t equals x power 1 by n, where n is LCM of this fractional denominator. To find fx, first we will integrate and then apply this initial condition to find constant of integration c. Fx is integral 1 by x power 1/4 into 1 plus x power 1/4 dx. Let u equals x power 1/4. That gives x equals u power 4. Differentiating the x equals 4u cube du. So now fx becomes integral 1 upon u into 1 plus u 4u cube du. Fx will be 4 integral cancelling 1u from u cube u square upon 1 plus u du. 4 integral, in place of u square let us write u square minus 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus u du. 4 integral u minus 1 into u plus 1 plus 1 1 plus u du. 4 integral cancelling 1 plus u minus 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus u du. Taking integral, fx equals 4 into u square by 2 minus u plus ln mod 1 plus u. 4 into, replacing back, u equals x power 1/4. X power 1/4 square will be x power half upon 2 minus x power 1/4 plus ln mod 1 plus x power 1/4 plus c. 2 2s are 4, so 2 root x minus 4 x power 1/4 plus 4 ln mod 1 plus x power 1/4 plus c. Now we will put this x equals 0 because in the question f0 is given to be minus 6. So f0, which is minus 6, will be 2 square root 0 minus 4 0 square root 1/4 plus 4 ln mod 1 plus 0 power 1/4 plus c. Everything becomes 0 and we get c equals minus 6. We have to find f1, so we will put this x equals 1 and this c equals minus 6 and evaluate. So f1 will be this 2 root 1 minus this 4 1 power 1/4 plus this 4 ln mod 1 plus 1 power 1/4 is 1 plus c, which is minus 6. 2 minus 4 plus 4 ln 2 minus 6. So f1 will be 4 ln 2 minus 8, which is 4 into ln 2 minus 2. Hence, the correct answer option here is B, 4 times ln 2 minus 2. This one here. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. Keep learning, keep questioning, and keep building strong mathematical thinking. And I will see you in the next JEE Maths tutorial. Until then, keep watching JEE Maths PYQS. Thank you.